Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XEM coin. Almost 2 weeks ago, I shared a complete buying plan for XEM coin when there was a really drastic crash, and I told you that the price action is likely to complete a cipher move or a shark move as well. And to identify whether the price action is going to form a cipher move or shark, I just used some set of indicators. And I also shared a complete article here at the Patreon as well with the complete buying plan. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Now, first of all, I want to show you this chart. And this was the XEM with US dollar pair cipher pattern. And we can see that the price action even spiked beyond this buying zone, and after playing this chart we can see that the price action is still moving in this buying zone at the very end at this time. Now let me just show you what I told you in my previous video and what kind of indicators I shared with you that we should use to identify whether the price action is going to start a move to the upside from this cipher or it will move more down to form a shark move. And this was the video. Let me just show you is the momentum indicator on the daily time frame chart. And now we have received two signals. Like we have received the weak bearish signals by the MACD indicator. Just watch here, it was very strong bearish and it was giving us strong selling signals, and now it has turned weak bearish. And we have also received a buying signal by the stochastic from the oversold zone. Now we should wait for this signal, that is the momentum indicator. Once it will be turned at least weak bearish, like it was turned weak bearish here and here, and we will still have these bullish signals by the MACD and the stochastic, and the price line will be moving still in this buying zone of the cipher move, then it will be moved up. It can be moved up from this buying zone of the bullish cipher move. Now, if we watch the Bitcoin, now let's analyze these indicators that I shared with you in my previous video. One was this stochastic, another was this MACD indicator, and third was this momentum indicator. And I told you that once all these indicators will be synchronized and we will be in the buying zone or the potential reversal zone of the bullish cipher, as at this time we are moving, then we should place our buying orders. At that time, the MACD indicator gave us the buying signal. That was the weak bearish signal. It was turned weak bearish from the strong bearish, but this momentum was very strong bearish at that time, and it was giving us very strong sell signals, even though we also received a buying signal by the stochastic as well at that time. Here we received the buying signal by the stochastic. Now we can see that the squeeze, the momentum indicator, turned bullish here on 23rd of March. At that time, the MACD was still turning bullish, but if we take a look at this stochastic oscillator, then on 23rd of March here, you can see that it again gave us the sell signal. The blue line crossed down this red line. Even we received this sell signal here on 20th of March, and finally we have received this buying signal on 27th of March. Now on 27th of March, all these indicators are synchronized. We have received the buying signal by the stochastic, we have received the weak bearish signal by the MACD, and soon it will be turned strong bullish. We can see it is turning more and more bullish, and the momentum indicator is also turning bullish. You can see it was very strong bearish, now it has turned weak bearish. And if we watch the price action, that is still moving in this buying zone of this bullish cipher move, and at the very end of this buying zone. Now if we watch the closing price on 27th of March, when we have finally received all these bullish signals, this was the date, and at that time the closing price was 34.25 cents. I'm just placing my mouse at 27th of March, at the candlestick of 27th of March, and you can watch the closing price here. What was the closing price at that day? And at that day you can see the closing price was on 27th of March, the closing price was 34.25 cents. So that was a really, very good buying. And now the price action is turning bullish. Here the price action has also found a very, very good support. You can see that this level was working as a resistance here, and now it has been working as a support. And after getting bounced from this level, the price action is likely to move up. And once the price action will cross up this EMA 21, then a bullish rally to the upside will be almost confirmed. Now I want to show you one more really very important point, and that is on the weekly time frame chart. This is the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart, and we can see that whenever the price action is moving at this EMA 21, it is having very, very good bounces. For example, here the price action moved at this EMA 21 and rallied to the upside. That was a really, very good rally, and moved down again at EMA 21 and bounced from EMA 21. This is the weekly EMA 21, and this was a really, very good rally. And now the price action again moved down at this EMA 21, and from here we can expect that the price action will start the next powerful rally to the upside. And you can see that for the long time period, the price action did not break down this weekly EMA 21 so far. Therefore, I would suggest to use this EMA 21 for the long-term support level, because if it will be broken down, then we can have a further very drastic drop from here. So this should be our stop loss in any kind of worst case situation. Now, if we watch this, the simple moving averages on the 2-day chart, as we have already discussed in my previous videos as well, that we have a very good support of this 25 simple moving average and this 50 simple moving average on the 2-day chart, while the price action was entering in this bullish cipher move. At that time, the price action was breaking down the 25 simple moving average on the 2-day chart. Now if we watch the live 2-day chart, at this time the price action has broken down this 25 simple moving average and still at the support of 50 simple moving average. So far so good. It is at the support of the 50 simple moving average. It is also at the support of EMA 21. And now finally we have received, as I have been telling you in every video, that we should wait for these signals before placing our buying orders. Yes, in my previous video I told you that there can be few hours left before the big bullish rally, because I was expecting that after receiving, because at that time we already received these two signals. We received the buying signal by the stochastic from the oversold zone. We also received a buying signal by the MACD as well, but I still at that time suggested you to wait for this to turn bullish, and I was expecting that maybe the next day or after that it will be turned bullish, or at least weak bearish, like it has turned in a very short time period. Therefore, I told you that we can expect a very big rally very soon, within few hours. However, the price action moved extreme sideways, and now we received this bullish signal on 23rd of March, and finally all these signals were synchronized. And I told you that all these signals, when all these signals will be synchronized and we will be still in the buying zone of the bullish cipher, then we should place our buying orders. And that was 27th of March, and finally we have received those signals. So we can expect that now the price action can start a very big rally from here. And as per the bullish cipher pattern, our sell targets can be 58.53 cents up to 83.67 cents, and this is the Fibonacci projection of C to D leg, and these are the realistic targets. However, the price action even can turn more strong bullish from here, and if further confirmation is required for the bullish move, and the price action will cross up this EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart, and I'm expecting that soon it will cross up this EMA 21. However, as per my opinion, all the buying signals are confirmed, but we should use this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart as our stop loss to be safe from any kind of further more drastic drop. And for more safer side, you can also wait for the EMA 21 to be broken out. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description, and you will find a lot more other trading, the harmonic trading ideas there as well. Take care. Goodbye.